welcome to Street Stunning. So today I'm making a video on the Corvette. I want to update you guys a little bit. I haven't really done anything to the car, but I want to get to it. I want to at least have it ready by the end of the season, maybe do one run. But I have so much work. The transmission is still out. As you guys can see, it's a big hole. My son's bike fits in here. But anyways, I finally got the transmission back. The RPM transmission. I believe I got the highest one you could get. I got the RPM differential, and I got the brace. And that's about it. But today we are working on the lower control arms, because I had bad ball joints, and apparently you can't replace the ball joints. According to GM, when you pull the ball joints out and you try to put another one in, it doesn't fit in there good. It stays loose. So you have to get your whole control arm. But since I have a 15-inch conversion, I have to trim it down. And as you see, this job right here, not a big fan of it. I had to get new tie rod ends as well, so I put those in. I washed the rear cradle because it was filthy. I had a bunch of oil. I don't know if you guys remember, but it's nice and washed. And I am working on the control arms over here, the lower control arms. By the way, you have to grind down the upper control arms as well. But this is the one I just did. As you can see. Then this is the old one. As you can see, they weren't able to hit their line. Their Sharpie mark is still there. No Sharpie marks over here. Look how clean that is. Smooth. Look at that. Look at this. Like somebody took a bite out of it. But anyways, I'm working on this one now, and it's coming down pretty fast. I don't know if there's a special tool to grind this down or to cut it or what, but I went to Ace and I went to Home Depot, and the best thing they can recommend me was this right here, and it doesn't do a good job. I gave up on it, so don't waste your money on that. I tried it with the Dremel. Don't waste your money on that either. I had these old things laying around that I bought at Harbor Freight, and these bad boys work really good. A little bit of muscle and you'll get them down. I'll show you guys just in a little bit, just to give you guys an idea. It's aluminum, so it's soft, and you can't use a grinder unless they make like a special blade or plate or whatever to grind down aluminum, because what happens is when you use one to cut metal, it like starts melting and it starts covering the plate, and I've heard of it shattering as well. So yeah, I'd rather avoid that. I'll just do this. I can use the exercise. So I'll show you guys in a little bit, and then I guess we'll end the video after that. But let me show you guys an example and catch you guys right now. Gotta get the safety gear on. Alright guys, all you need is this guy right here. This guy will do everything. Just need a little muscle. There, just grind her down like that. Little by little. It's aluminum. It's gonna come down. You need to drop the muscle. Want 15-inch wheels? I'll put in the work. But anyways, you get the idea. You just grind that thing down until it's flush like this. Till it's flush like this, about 4 inches. Let me get my ruler out, or my measuring tape. And you just kind of want to line it up with the line. As you see, just line it up with the line. And then about 4 inches out, you're good. You just want it to be a little flush right here. I don't know if you could see, but it's flush. See, this is the one they did, but I didn't like it. I mean, you can see that. But anyways, and then this is how thick it is. But there you go. And eventually you'll get down. Took me probably like, I don't know, half hour if that. But there you have it. There's a little update on it, and maybe here in a couple weeks we could try to get it close to being done. But for today, that's it. We're out. See you guys. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share. If you know anybody that needs a transmission, clutch or something, share the video so maybe they might want to do it. I don't know. If I did it, anybody else could do it. Anyways, see you guys.